Namaskar friends, myself Dinesh Babu Tripathi. In today's video, I will explain about the phrases of the chapter Phraseography of Pittman Shorthand book. So, these phrases are most commonly used while writing shorthand. By this way, we can write the shorthand fast. So I will start now. These are the outlines given in the book. I will read and try to explain. I thank you. I think you should be. I have the. I have had. I saw the. I see. I am. I may be. I will. I will be. You should be, you can, you will be, you may be, you were, if you were, they were, how can they, why do you, why have you, with you, so much, with much, with which, with each, when they, what do you, what was, what can be, it would be, it should be, it will be, it was, which were, he should be, he will be, if he were too much. These are the grammar thanked, it above the line, thanked or thank. You have to understand the use of thank and thanked, where thank will be used, where thank will be used according to the dictated matter. You have to consider. Next is think on the line, though, them, was, whose, shall, wish, with, when, what, would, owe, he. Now the exercise number is 21. Read, copy and transcribe. First line is I may be with you on Monday, the 4th of May. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. How do you like the new book? I think you were right to go away when you were feeling weary. I have had a talk with Webb and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. If you should know anybody to give share, if Next, if you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. I have a new camera which I should like to show you with when I see you. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. So this exercise is over. So now the exercise number 21 of the book is over. So 22 I will read and try to write on the notebook. I will read and write it on the notebook so you can understand the same. First line is, why do you think? Why do you think? He was aware of the likely failure of the firm. I thank you for the tube of the color which I think should be all right. Full stop. They deny they were at the tower at the time above the line बनेगा time at the time of fire I think you over the head. I think you the head in apology for the for the way you hurried away on Monday. Hurried away on Monday. Full stop. If he were aware of the date, aware of the date, he would I think he would I think have come with us. Think have come with us. Kenneth Doyle. Kenneth. This is K capital. Kenneth Doyle on the line. Above the line. This is above the line. Doyle. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share wrote say he would arrive at 5. I think too much time was given dark to the topic why do you think mark of interrogation. So this is exercise is full, and this chapter is also has been computed by me. I am writing these outlines with red pen for visibility only, but the shorthand is to be written by pencil only. You have not to write with red pen. This is prohibited. So please always use pencil, because you have to understand the dark and light use of pencil. So words are formed according to dark and light. So but red pen I have used for your understanding, so that you can see the outline. So this exercise you can practice in your own way by seeing the book. So next video will be covered by chapter covered by me. Chapter will be 6. Circle S and Z. Till now, thank you very much.